Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the large company on Canva. So first of all we want to open the app. After opening it, on the top left corner you can see there are three lines. Click on there, and from here as the first option you can see your account. Click on there, and from here you can see a section called Teams. In that section as a second option you can see Settings. Click on there, and from here as a third option you can see what will be you be using Canva for. So in that section you can see that it had been selected to teach teacher. So by clicking it you can see the menu options, and as the fourth option you can see large company. Click on there. So now you have been changed your Canva use to large company. So that's all. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.